This is the device management page. You'll see at the top there are 3 tabs. One is device management, one is alarm management, which is where you create alarms, and one is alert management, where you view alerts that have been sent to you. So device management, it shows you the name, the mobile number, the network they're on, the country of origin, and you can view more details by clicking through. Obviously there's no details of any note at the moment because you've only just registered. You should be on the alarms management page, which you'll see should have your device users' names, their mobile numbers, and you'll note on the right hand side there are 3 boxes already darkened up which says roaming status change. These are already set up alarms for domestic roaming, which is anything roaming outside your home country. You can add other countries into this. I will show you that later. Before we set up the alarms, I'd like to make you aware of the alarms that are available. First is domestic data allowance over 1, 2, 3 days. Roaming out of country, roaming data allowance over 1, 2, 3 days. Average accrued usage over the month against your monthly data bundle. So go to the top of the page where it says create new alarm. You will now see the 2 boxes for the 2 alarms, one being roaming and one being domestic data. Let's do domestic data first. Give the alarm a name, then put the time period you want it to be over 1, 2, 3 days, and then the amount of data. Remember whether it's megabytes or gigabytes. You'll notice there's a box saying including roaming usage. This is for users that have a mobile package which allows you to use your domestic data bundle when you're abroad. If you don't know this or not sure, please do check with your supplier, but if you do have it, tick the box please. Now hit the bottom box which says create alarm. You're now back to the devices page. You should notice on the top left hand side the alarm you've just created. There's a white box. Tick that, then go down and you'll notice that there's all your devices with the names and the mobiles. You can either do select all, which is the select all button just below the alarm, or you can do them individually. Click the box that you want to do, click the assign alarms button, confirmation screen will come up, hit the confirmation button if you're happy obviously, if not press cancel. Now you should see the alarm has come up on the line of the relevant mobile, so that's you've set the alarm up. If you want to set more domestic alarms up, just repeat the process. Now let's do roaming alarm. So go to the top right hand side of the page, hit create alarm, hit roaming. Now remember you already have a standard roaming alert which tells you when one of your devices is outside your country, which you can adjust and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. You will get from that alarm, you will get an alarm when you go into a country that's not included in your domestic area. Also what you have here is the choice to create an alarm that says one of your devices is using a certain amount of data in that country. So that would be you'd put the alarm name in, you'd put the time period and the amount. The second part of roaming is that you can add countries into your bundle, and this is because some suppliers will allow you to go outside your home country into other countries and that's included. So if they're included, then you should take them out of your roaming alert. And the way you do that is you go down on the left hand side and you click the area that you want to take out. So example would be click Europe. You'll note that the word Europe is now above the box. If you're happy with Europe, that's fine. If you want to change what countries are included in that, because some of the providers, they're not all the same, have different areas, it's not always Europe or your area, so if you want more detail, obviously you need to know your package. You go to the right hand side of the box, you'll see a green that says see countries. You click on that, and that'll show you all the countries inside Europe. All you do is you click out the ones you don't want to be in, and once you're happy with that, you then go to the bottom and you click create alarm. You apply the alarm the same way. You go up to the top box which is EU1. You then have the choice of selecting all or a few. You then assign the alarm. You'll see them on the right hand side, and if you ever want to delete any alarms you hit the X button on the relevant alarm.